Hey everyone, today we are excited to introduce the all-new 2026 Cadillac Pickup Truck, a stunning blend of luxury and rugged utility. Let's dive into every aspect of this incredible vehicle and take a closer look at its design and features. Starting with the front view, the 2026 Cadillac Pickup Truck makes a bold first impression. The front is dominated by Cadillac's signature vertical LED headlights, which give the truck a sleek, modern look. The grille is large, aggressive, and unmistakably Cadillac, with sharp lines that accentuate its strength and commanding presence. The overall design speaks to both power and elegance, with a clean aerodynamic shape that promises to deliver top-notch performance. The sculpted hood and muscular fenders further enhance its bold appearance. It's clear that Cadillac is not just about luxury, but also about creating a truck that makes a statement. Now, moving to the back side, the 2026 Cadillac Pickup Truck features a robust and rugged design. The rear is as impressive as the front, with a high-strength tailgate that's both functional and stylish. The tail lights are sleek, modern, and wrap around the sides of the truck, giving it a dynamic, distinctive look. The tailgate is easy to operate, and with the rugged build, it's clear that this truck is made for serious work, with plenty of space in the bed for all your gear. The overall rear design ties in perfectly with the truck's athletic stance, combining both utility and aesthetics in a way only Cadillac can. Inside the cabin, the interior of the 2026 Cadillac Pickup Truck brings luxury to a new level. The spacious cabin features high-end materials throughout, with premium leather upholstery and a modern dashboard layout. The centerpiece is the large, high-resolution touchscreen display that controls the infotainment system, offering seamless connectivity to your devices. The interior is designed for comfort, with heated and ventilated seats, advanced climate control, and a noise-canceling system that makes the cabin a peaceful environment, even on the roughest roads. Whether you're driving through the city or cruising off-road, the interior of this truck offers the ultimate driving experience. Looking at the right view, the profile of the 2026 Cadillac Pickup Truck shows off its muscular body lines. The truck's wide stance and bold wheel arches enhance its overall strength and road presence. The side mirrors are designed with aerodynamic precision, and the chrome accents add a touch of luxury. With the strong, sculpted body and a robust set of wheels, this pickup is built to tackle both on-road and off-road challenges. The right side view captures the truck's perfect balance of power, functionality, and sophistication. From the lift view, we see how the 2026 Cadillac Pickup Truck stands tall and proud. The truck's height is noticeable, giving it an imposing stance on the road, while the suspension system promises a smooth and comfortable ride. The large wheels provide stability and control, ensuring that whether you're carrying heavy loads or cruising down highways, you'll experience a smooth drive. Cadillac's attention to detail is evident in every aspect, from the truck's high ground clearance to the sleek design elements that enhance its overall aerodynamics. The 2026 Cadillac Pickup Truck is truly a masterpiece that combines power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're looking for a tough workhorse or a vehicle that provides a refined driving experience, this truck offers the best of both worlds. Thank you for tuning in to New Car Latest Update, and we can't wait to share more updates with you soon.